In our last assignment question, we were given the valency of 1 for copper. Copper has a valency of 2 in our previous assignment question. And now we want to see what the formula of each of the compound will be if copper has a valency of 1 in the present assignment question. Why? You may be asking the question, why is copper having valency of 2 and 1? Copper is a transition element and it is capable of existing with 2 valency, which is 1 and 2. We have other transition elements like iron have valency of 2 and 3 and so forth and so on and so forth. So if copper has valency of 1, we want to look at the compound is going to form with tetraososulfate 6. So A, copper is having valency of 1. Tetrasulfate 6 is SO4, having valency of 2. We have already established that. So 1 for copper, yes, go to SO4, 2 for SO4, go to copper. So that one will now become Cu2SO4. So that will be the formula of the compound. Copper 1 will form with tetraososulfate 6, Cu2SO4. For triazonate 5, B, copper, if copper is having valency of 1, with triazonate 5, which is NO3, which is having valency of 1 also. So 1 for copper will go to an NO3, 1 for NO3 will go to copper. So at the end of the day, that becomes CuNO3. So copper 1 triazonate 5 is CuNO3. CuNO3. C. Copper, if copper is having valency of 1, its triosocarbonate 4 will be Cu. So 2 for triosocarbonate 4 go to copper, 1 for copper go to triosocarbonate 4. So that will now become Cu2CO3. Cu2CO3. Copper 2, copper 1 triosocarbonate 4, Cu2CO3. D. If copper is having valency of 1, let's see the compound is going to form with hydroxide OH, which is also having valency of 1. So 1 goes to OH, 1 for OH goes to copper, so it becomes CuOH. From 1 and 1 we cancel out. CuOH. Copper 1 hydroxide. Copper 1 hydroxide. So also, if copper is having valency of 1, its chloride. Chlorine is also having valency of 1 from the periodic table. The chloride will become CuCl, because the 1 both of them are having will cancel out. CuCl, copper 1 chloride. For the last one, which is F, if copper is still having valency of 1, its oxide will be, since oxygen is having valency of 2, 2 for oxygen will go to copper, 1 for copper will go to oxygen. So therefore its oxide will become Cu2O. Copper 1 oxide. All these are foundational things every student is expected to know. Every student who wants to become a champion in chemistry. All these are foundation which every student should have built before going further in the course. So I believe that everything we discuss now is well understood.